ORCA Shadow Video Bag OR-12. Key features: fits camcorders up to 20.4 long,
cái pin
wide top opening, interior pocket and 4 exterior pockets. Padded shoulder strap included, aluminum and honeycomb frames, customizable internal dividers, internal LED lighting, compatible with ORCA trolley system. The shoulder video bag OR-12 from ORCA is designed to carry and protect a video camera up to 20.4 in length and its related items. The bag features an external aluminum frame, internal honeycomb frame, and layer of foam and EVA padding. The bag has 4 external pockets, a padded shoulder strap, 2 side handles, and a flexible internal device system that can be reconfigured depending on your needs. This bag is compatible with the ORCA trolley system for easy transportation. Key features: aluminum and honeycomb frame combination protects items, internal LED lighting system for working in dark locations, wide top opening for viewing contents. Inner bright blue polyester lighting helps distinguish equipment. Dividing system can hold the camera in place inside the bag. Inside pocket and 4 outside pockets for accessories. Carry shoulder strap and 2 side handles. Compatible with the ORCA trolley system for transportation.
Mà
đúng rồi được mà em có